Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. It's been a while since I've posted something, but it's getting harder and harder to get stuff. But got this nice gem here. It's a 2020 Ram 1500. It's a limited, top of the line. These are by far my favorite trucks. This is what I drive also. They're so comfortable. Just the material inside is just high-end stuff. We'll go inside in a minute, but doesn't get much better than this. Got the air suspension, very smooth and quiet. Crew cab, got nice tinted windows, got 22-inch wheels. It's got the automatic HID headlights, fog lights. This one has a limited level 1 package, so it's gonna have all the high-tech features like the adaptive cruise control, lane departure assist and warning system, brake assist, all the good safety features, the blind spot warning system. You have remote engine start. You just lock it and push this button twice. That cranks it up. That's great for the winter or summer. Get the climate control going. With the air suspension, you can also adjust to lower the suspension. If you have an elderly person or someone has issues climbing in a truck, you can lower it by push this button. Pretty handy. It's a 1 owner, clean Carfax Southern truck, no rust. Also has been certified, so it makes the warranty up to 100,000 miles on the engine and transmission. You can upgrade that to bumper for 100,000 miles for a small fee. It does come with the remainder of the factory warranty from Ram, the 3-year 36 and the 560 on the powertrain, but it's on top of that, it's been certified through Allstate. Look at this interior. Everything is leather wrap, no cheap material. It's got with the level 1 package, you get the 19 speaker Harman Kardon sound system. It is terrific. It's the best sound system I've ever heard in a vehicle. Got nice metal grille here, very nice quality. Power folding mirrors, they're heated. Got your blind spot monitor system also. Memory seats. And this is what you get. I've seen these with 100,000 miles and the leather still looks great. It's not a cheap vinyl, fake, simulated leather. This is real leather. It smells like real leather. It feels like it. It's nothing like it. They're heated and cool, even in the back, heated and cool. You got power seats on both sides, lumbar support, adjustable power pedal. Is your automatic headlights. You got your audio control for this behind the steering wheel. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel. And it just feels like a high-end vehicle, which it should, as much as they cost. It's only got 19,000 miles, very low miles. Got a carbon fiber top on the steering wheel. Even the dash is leather wrapped. Just great. Easy to read display, pretty. There's your adaptive cruise. This is where you can shift gear on the transmission. Push start button. All we do now is push the start and it boots right up. There's your shift selector. It's 4-wheel drive, push button 4-wheel drive. And how about that screen? This is what gets me on these. You can move the screens around, flip them around. You can decide what you want on the screen by pushing this and then flip it around. You want the phone here. You want the media for the radio. So this is all custom. There's all you can move these icons from here to here. So the ones you use a lot, you can move them down here. It's got travel link for the weather, forecast, and fuel price. You have to subscribe to that, but how about this camera system? Surround view camera, back, front, even that's your back for you when you hook up to a receiver. Heated, cool seats, all your cameras here. Guess we're already there. I like the fact it's still got real physical button for the climate control. I mean, you can have it here, but I try to have the screen real estate for some other stuff, and I still like my physical buttons. Factory trailer brake controller. This is how you can adjust the suspension up and down. It's got off-road suspension. You can raise it up. Traction control, tow mode, park assist front and back. How about some USB-C and USB outlet? Can't have too many of these. This moves too. You got another outlet here. That's a 120. It's got a wireless phone charger here. You can put your phone here and it'll charge it. You can move this around. Another USB. Lots of storage. You got an outlet here if you got a radar detector or some up here. How about this panoramic sunroof with a power shade? And actually it's very quiet too. Going down the road, there's no wind noise. This truck is silent. Got your HomeLink garage door opener. Got your owner's manual. Got a couple glove box. Got one here. Got one here. Guess I had that one open. Doesn't get any better than this. Got your power steps. I probably forgot something. Got nice tinted windows in the front also. Got big doors, opens wide open. Got your all-weather floor mats. Got a storage compartment underneath on both sides. Everything is in new condition. Still smells new. Got your power rail slide glass with defrost. Look at these speakers. 19 of them. Some more USB and USB-C. That's 4 of them. 115 outlet, heated and cool seats. I've never seen a truck with cool seats in the back. That's a first. Capless fuel. You can open the tailgate with the remote. It's nice when you get your hands full. It's got the Rhino liner. Got LED lights on the inside. Bed's in good shape. Got your trailer towing package with your plug-ins. Oop. Guess that's gone. I have to order one of those. It's a cap. That's to release the spare tire. Got dual exhaust. Power seats and lumbar on both sides. It's a pearl white color, very pretty. You can see the HID headlights, very pretty. Let's get the 5.7 Hemi V8, very reliable engine. On the highway, I got like 22, 23 miles per gallon. Pretty fuel efficient for this amount of power in a big truck. As you can see, it's got a nice clean engine compartment, no rust, no mud. Service ready to go. And still under warranty. If you're looking for the top of the line pickup truck in like new condition at an affordable price, this is it. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. We take trade-ins also. Worldwide shipping is also available. To see if this limited truck is still available, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Worldwide shipping available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.